boobies. Is it 28 today? Yeah, 28, yeah. So 28 days on the road. Just left Early Beach from Tammy and Dean. Thanks guys, absolute legends for putting us up. We're on our way somewhere around Cardwell, and then we've actually booked an extra night, so we're going to do Saturday night to Friday in Port Douglas. Let's hit the road because it's too bloody humid and sticky and hot, and not in a good way. Beautiful one day, roadworks the next. Seriously, never seen so much roadworks in all my life. Bruce Highway is a bloody joke. Brunch break in Air. Nice little town. Sticky, humid. Sticky. We're riding at about 38, 39 degrees, humidity's high. Just gone past Townsville and dropped down to 33 degrees. Oh, beautiful. Hey, look what's happening. Rain. Gee, I don't think we've had rain on this trip. But this particular circumstances, it's welcome. Not going to get much. You're going to ride past that cloud, I think. It's pretty unusual though. There's some roadworks. I don't think I've seen any roadworks along Bruce Highway. It's a clean run on Bruce Highway. You know, you're not going to have any problems there. Maybe stop 1, 2, maybe 5,000 times. Not much. Pretty easy. Look, he's flashing. If you want a lifelong job, get a job working on the Bruce Highway. You'll never be out of work. Excuse the pig. A little hot. Humidity is about 5,000%. Excuse me. Just over an hour. Stay at Cardwell. It's got a pool. And 6 nights in Port Douglas. To completely recharge. I've never had a trip that's taken it out of me like this. But I'm not whinging. Yeah, what'd you just say, babe? Are you having trouble getting your clothes on again?
When you're sweaty and you take your pants off.
What are you doing taking your pants off, babe?
To pee.
Oh, right. Split the whisker.
That'd be gross.
You're talking about taking your pants off?
Yeah, because I can't get the bastards back on.
Oh, yeah.
I did, but it was another struggle.
Should have filmed that one. Day 29. We started in Cardwell last night. It's this is the Cardwell Beachfront Motel. I absolutely recommend it. We had drinks with the owners last night, and you're right on the beach. With the thunderstorm and lightning last night, this was completely covered. You couldn't see it. It was incredible. But yeah, it's a very pleasant place to stay. About the first time I think we've ever sat down and had drinks with the owners. They've sat out there and just cool people. So definitely a Digby's recommendation here. It was 125. If you book online with them, cheaper than booking.com even. Have a look at this. Amazing. So we're off to Port Douglas today via Cairns, and see the shop, get a few things sorted. Quaint little pool, but does the job. There was a motorcyclist turned up pretty late last night, and it was a Triumph. Anyway, he'd hit something, or I don't know, can't remember where he hit it, but he hit his sump. Anyway, oil was spilling out, and he's left an oil mark there, that's for sure. Poor bastard, I don't remember him bloody taking off.
Even at the top.
Yes, the Cardwell Beachfront Motel. Beachfront Motel, Michelle and Lee, #1, no problem. I recommend it. It's a Dig Me recommendation. In the Port Douglas. So far so good, lovely little greeting. Been upgraded to a 1-bedroom apartment. Don't you love that bloody word, upgraded? Okay. Room 21. Can't believe it, they knew my age. I did read a thing that it's no good for people with disabilities or wheelchairs, because it's all stairs. I've seen that we're fit and young. Going right. Yes. Have a look at this. Have a look at it. Have a look at it. Have a look. Come. Look at that. 6 lights. It's going to be terrible. She goes, oh, I just sent you the mail. I said, yeah. I said, we saw the word upgrade. I said, don't you love that word upgrade? What do you think?
It's lovely.
I can't spoil you. Seriously. Seriously. Spoil you. Spoil you rotten. You're absolutely spoiled. You're a spoiled little brat.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Alright. Probably get all this filming and editing done by the early next year. We're in Port Douglas, you know, and it's after 8. Maybe you don't know where you're going.
Maybe I don't.
Well, then you'll leave me on a wild goose chase. This is day 30 of October, which was going to be the day that Jax was flying home. She can't bear to leave me. She says, no, honey, I need you. I need you, I need to look at you, I need to touch you, I need to feel you, I need to make a love to you. And then I woke up. It's been extended till Friday, where we leave here. And I'll have a few nights in Cairns, get the bike service probably Monday week. And then I will start to head across to the centre again. Anyway, here's a bit of Cairns for you. No, Port Douglas rather.
Get it right. You're fine.
Would make a very good tourist guide. We're somewhere in the vicinity of Australia.
Stop in.
Alright. So that's the first time I've come across, oh they're fine, it's not their fault, but just buying a coffee and they take card only, no cash, which is 100% and absolutely illegal. Cash is still legal to tender whether they like it or not.
It's not there.
They can't change the rules to suit themselves. Not that I don't have the card on me, but it's not the point, but I mean, they shouldn't be able to dictate like that. We're not at that stage yet where we're barcoded as such. That's a small bloody cup, $5.
Yeah.
Fair to say we won't be back there. There's your $5 6 ounce
Coffee?
cashless coffee. It's pretty bloody
hate to
good.
say
yeah.
it, but it's
well,
bloody lovely.
It is nice, I'll give them that.
It is nice. Yeah, really nice. One of the better coffees I've had for a long time.
But don't try and dictate me the law. I'm a defence lawyer.
Yeah, they're both.
And
That would have been funny.
or maybe not. Yeah.
Imagine if they got someone like that there.
Oh, yeah, and me being a judge and everything of the Supreme Court. They don't know that I know these facts. And I could bring the whole law. I could bring it all down on them, right there.
You could?
Close them down.
Oh,
I could
this
close
guy
them down.
reminded me. When we were riding on the bike once, one of the 1,000,001 roadworks, there was a guy on the side of the roadworks with this pissy little blower going. I just fat wet myself.
Did you?
Yes,
I don't find that humorous at all.
I do. Oh, chemist reminded to go in there on the way back.
Why are you taking up my vlog space?
Was it a wish to?
That's where we were, the Iron Bar last night. Port Douglas Markets. Sunday, 8 o'clock till 2 in the PM.
Heard of black garlic before?
Don't be racist, mate.
No.
You're a garlic racist. Check this out. I don't know if you can see it properly, but it's growing on the trunks of the trees. Ferns of some sort. Grass. Beautiful. Alrighty, so a little bit of a far cry from last year when I was here on my own, and there, that was something that was starting to take, or was taking ground. I don't know, what was it called? COVID or something. I don't know, it came and went that quick. Really didn't notice it.
Got crocodile warning again.
Crocodile warning. There should be a sign saying
They got their dog playing in the
Jack's
water.
warning. Don't go near Jack's because it's dangerous.
Yes.
What do you want, coconut? You got a couple of coconuts. No, it's a response from that one. Trouble in paradise. Well, a kid shouldn't have looked at me the way he did. That's the bottom line. Yeah, babe, you can get those. You can have anything you want. If you want new pair of bikinis or whatever, it's not about the price, babe. It's not about the price. It's about what you want, and you can have anything your heart desires.
Yes, because they're $5.
No, it's not about the price, babe. They could have zeros and zeros and zeros on it. It wouldn't make any difference.
It does say extra large though, dear.
Does it? Extra large? I'm not even going to comment on that because there's going to be no right answer, and I'm moving right along.
Yeah, I have to try them out.
I like that. Barbecue area. Okay, so we're based in Port Douglas. We're heading off to Cape Tribulation today, and it's about 80 k's out. Yes, please.
It's $17
Yep.
a term for a motorbike.
Yep.
You have a great day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Enjoy.
Lovely lady. Very pleasant. Okay, well this is the first for both of us. It's on its way over. Non-peak hour, which is good. Middle. Thanks, mate. Okay. First time for everything.
Good morning, welcome to the Daintree River. For your safety, remain in your vehicle, turn your motor off and engage your briefing.
Alright, slow it down. Get seasick here.
If you get seasick on this, you're fucking empty it on.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other, So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day.
Stop it. Gonna go all the way on the dirt road. Croc infested, cassowary infested. Maybe we'll just go for some breakfast. Digby's going bush. Bloody open.
Running down Rainforest again. I'm looking for a cafe. Up here, he says.
Whereabouts? Oh, beautiful. Thanks, mate. Bit of paradise?
Yeah. There's me menu there. I've got other bits and pieces there if you require. You want a coffee first or?
Yeah, some breakfast if you have it.
Yeah, no worries at all.
Champion. I vlog everything. Yeah. Yeah, give me information when you get out. Mate, you love this sort of shit. Come down the driveway with this calf, but seeing he's waving to us. It's got a bit of paradise here. Obviously a little side business for the cafe, and I reckon he's got some chalets here where you can stay. That's accommodation too, have you?
Yeah, mate.
Wow.
I don't know what it is, though. Not a fucking thing.
Shit.
Oh,
Yeah,
mate, come on, I'll take you to the nerve centre.
Okay.
You right there, Mum, or you want to come?
Oh, I want to have a look.
Yeah. Greg's his name, and where are we, Greg?
Yeah, this is Daintree Peaks Eco Stays.
Daintree Peaks Eco
Yeah, Eco Stays.
Stays, rightio.
Yeah. Now you probably see the mountain up there?
Yep.
That's Thornton's Peak.
Yep.
That's the third highest peak in Queensland. That peak there, as the influence, it sucks in all the weather from the Coral Sea. And if you see all the way around, mountain all the way around, hills all the way around, and this is like a little Gondwana in here. That's why the Daintree is here, because of this big bloke, and it goes up towards Cape Tribulation, and it's surrounded. It's there to the Coral Sea.
So you run that every morning?
Oh yeah, pretty. From the ferry to here, it'll be 8 kilometres.
Yep, there you go. Right.
Something like that. It's not very, it's a wiggly road, you know.
Yep.
Right, so on the shed, come out of the sun. This shed was purpose built and designed and purpose built to accommodate all the weight of the solar panels up there. I've got 56 panels up on there, and that's 14 kilowatt. And then that leads into, I'll take you down to the shed.
Oh.
Right, this is watches the trip out of there. This is the battery banks. Yeah. Anyway, so this is the DC invert coming in from the solar panels.
Oh crap.
What's that? 1.7. How many kilowatts is that? Yeah. Anyway, it's putting in a fair bit. So anyway, yeah, sucks in there, sends it into these batteries. This bloke, then these blokes, they suck it back out, convert it DC to AC, and then they're up to 7 kilometres, 7 kilowatts. So I've got everything balanced, the whole place fully booked and everything working, the air cons, under 7 kilowatt.
That's impressive.
Yeah.
Wow.
And if this one, the settings get low, this bloke here, right, this is what you use on offshore drilling rigs, right? This one is programmed to, if I stick it in auto, this one will send a signal. I'm down to say 56%. It sends a signal to here, to this bloke, okay? It's okay, I've been told to start, so it'll start. After 1 minute, it'll bring itself on, and then it gets itself up to, I think it's 86%, I've got it set at. It'll come to 86%, run itself down to the turbo and everything, and then shut down. Was this that little shed down there? I've got a bore in there. That's a 50-metre bore, and it's all solar operated there. And this is my shed. See the beams on the shed?
Oh yeah, that's them.
Yeah, this is like my little, well, it's my workshop, you know. I built this boat during COVID. All built with solar. Solar powered.
And what are people doing here when they stay with you?
Well, when they go out and do exploring, they go out. There's a lot of walks around here.
Yeah.
Yeah, like the rainforest walks.
How many acres?
This is 25 acres.
Oh,
and that's the World Heritage right there, mate.
Oh.
See that mountain and all that, or that hill? That's World Heritage.
It's impressive, isn't it? Waking up to that every morning.
Oh yeah. I had to, when I built it, I had to be 25% for full disabled accommodation. I had Airbnb. They sent a film crew here. It's going to go online to Airbnb for people for disabled on the 21st of December. So people go on, click on this property, and then they'll say, okay, I need 141 centimetres or millimetres to go through there. So they can measure it exactly, every distance in here, everywhere.
Yeah.
And they can say, oh yeah, we'll fit, we can book that. Gas or water on demand.
That's impressive, mate. That's, wow.
And I built this all out of my pocket, but I'm telling you, there's friggin' nothing left. I really love this place. It's just absolutely beautiful place. Yeah. If it's so quiet, truly, and the birds, so many kinds of...
That particular bird is making a noise, a little gobble.
Yeah, this one here. That's this bloke.
Right.
That's what you call a green oriole.
Okay.
These are just some of the birds that from this site. Yep. This lady stayed here in July, and what's Laura Tilsey. She identified in 6 days on this property 34 different species of birds, right, just in a 6-day period here.
Just one more time, Greg from
Daintree Peaks Eco Stays.
Beautiful. Come and book in with him. I recommend it. It's a beautiful spot. Thanks, Greg.
Good on you, mate. Thank you very much. And we'll be seeing you soon.
Yeah. Absolutely amazing here, heading up the Cape Tribulation. Keep you slow with all the speed humps and everything, but it's just bloody glorious. Love it. I did this 20 plus years ago when I was working with a tour company, and we did go this way, but of course nowhere near as enjoyable as bringing what's her name along. Jesus, name escapes me. Begins 1.3 on the head. Please talk about dreadlocks and hippies are out. What did you think of that ride?
Awesome.
It was. In the shade most of the time, tropical plants and ferns hanging over you.
Cool. No jacket.
Yeah, we're rebels. Rebels. So very nice. So I'm looking forward to that ride back.
Got the ice cream shop on the way back.
Yes.
And the Discovery Centre.
Yep. Very nice. I'm enjoying it. I tell a lie. It's 1.3 kilometres before the dirt road starts there, so could edit this properly, you know. Taking the time to get it. Hey, all the way from Cooktown. We're going to go for a little walk through the Daintree here, as you do. I'll sneak through here. Oh.
Wait a while. Climbing path. Guides away and leads you to the centre of the path. And that's its water pipe. But the water pipe is the tank.
Very low. This is a very special species coming through here. Just be very quiet because they do attack at the...
Nastier than a cassowary.
Yeah. Well, cassowary's got nothing on this. And this is what you call the tattoo blonde bird species, bee archie. Because a bee archie is pretty much what they're... Look, they talk back too, just
Couldn't
like
they come up with something better
most
than
bee
that?
archies. And can't help themselves. Won't mind their own business. So, and using the path of the humans, which they tend to do, because it was their...
Only bites when it's provoked.
If you're lucky. And so better days. But they even bring their own camera. Oh my god. Okay. We have got ourselves a cassowary. No.
Don't go forward. Where are you going?
You're kidding me? What an opportunity. Oh, he's very relaxed. Or she. Oh, this is unbelievable. This is the first time I've seen one in the wild. They're very seclusive. And even though it's not that big, you probably can't see its feet. They, I'm not even joking here, they have killed people. Probably the numbers have been exaggerated at times, but they will kill you. Look at the
I'm ready to run, aren't you?
headpiece. This is great footage, I'm telling you right now. This is, you do not see this every day. And it's not that big one. I'd say it's only above junior. But might tell this crew. This is the first time I've seen one in the wild.
Well, I haven't seen... Oh, here he is here, right?
Yeah.
There you go, you got a cassowary.
You're welcome.
That's the highlight of our day, seeing this guy here.
You're telling me. Absolutely buzzed about this. How do you know when they get angry?
No, they're fine.
Yeah, okay.
He's hot. He's got his mouth open.
Yeah, he's trying to get some air in. Yeah.
Because just like us, they're suffering from the heat.
Yep.
So we haven't been seeing him for the last few weeks because it's so hot.
Oh,
Yeah, I can't believe I got this
got a
footage.
beautiful head.
Yeah.
Should name him after me or something. Yeah.
Well, the locals name the birds here because you can recognise it by its helmet.
And how many would be in this?
They can live up to 40 years. Look, he's sitting down.
Holy crap.
Blimey.
He's so happy he's
He's a poser. Yeah, how many, do you know how many numbers there are?
Overall,
Around here?
cassowaries left in Australia,
Oh, wow.
4,000
It's just not many.
in the wet tropics.
What about up here?
In 900,000 hectares, there's 4,000.
It's sad, isn't it?
It's a needle in the haystack today. Seeing one is so lucky here now.
awesome.
Wow.
Everyone at the back, you can see him? You guys see him? No. Oh, come up.
He ain't going anywhere.
Don't be shy. He's sitting down just here.
Hey, how good was that? That is gold.
Spotting, dear.
Absolutely gold.
Good spotting.
Well, it wasn't particularly hiding all that.
Well, I hadn't come down as far.
Yeah, it's just going to be the that's the
That's the Davo.
the Digby. No, Digby. He's joined the forces of the Digby bird. I loved his hairdo too, similar to mine. So Good looking rooster, wasn't he?
He was a good
He was a
looking rooster.
good looking rooster.
You don't have a blue head like him.
I have a head of some sort.
Yeah, but we don't talk about that.
Well, there you go, guys. You're welcome.
Oh, look at him, butterfly.
Where?
Yeah, blue.
The only thing that can rival a cassowary or crocodile here, any type of wild animal, the only thing that they're all scared of is the menopausal woman. Just saying. You guys, if you haven't experienced yet, good luck. And normally I hate walking around in hot, sticky situations and that, but
This is a hot, sticky situation.
yeah, but this is worth it.
Yeah, definitely.
I absolutely recommend coming up to Cape Trib. I would love to ride the whole thing, but wouldn't do it on the Roadmaster. I'd do it on the Chief, the new Chief. I reckon we could do it on that.
You reckon?
Yep. Oh yeah. Absolutely. Light a bike, swing it around, put some saddlebags on, your backrest, good to go. Indian, you're listening?
Conditioner on one of those things?
Give me one of those and I'll do it for you. Be a great promotion. Famous Daintree, ladies and gentlemen. Spectacular. Now, we've got the cassowary, which I did not expect. Oh shit.
Yeah, you'd be getting
Oh my
it.
god, I just got it that page. You see that? How
Yeah, it'll be,
amazing.
if it had my way, I'd be staying there.
Oh, I'd go down and get it.
I know you would.
No problem. Right, looks like a bloody anaconda trying to strangle the tree. It's bizarre. I can relate.
Oh, he's strangling you.
It- Oh, that was a huge bonus, guys. I hope you appreciate the effort I put in to track it down. People on the tour guide should have bloody tipped me. Jesus Christ. I just give and myself. We are sweating our butts off. The humidity is unbelievable. Ah, as soon as you start moving in that wind though. Absolutely worth it. Well, it's crocodile infested as it is.
Here,
Yeah.
not get too damn close to the wall.
But have a look at this. Have a look at this. Tropical little island over there. I'm going to send the drone off. That was the helicopter drone. Just spins around. Absolutely magical. Alright, ice cream time. We got recommended this ice cream place. I think it's the only ice cream place. Cape Trib.
Oh, I thought there was a... might have been another one.
No, you lie.
Really?
Don't tell lies. Pretty piss poor.
Avocado. Hey Mick, check that out. Bet you haven't had an avocado like that.
This is maybe they gave me the They call baby tuna. Don't tell me I don't educate you people. Well guys and girls, that was Cape Tribulation, as far as we could go. Had to catch a ferry back to base and have a swim. Hope you enjoyed that. It's absolutely well worth the trip. What did we do? The Daintree walk.
Daintree walk.
Yeah.
The Daintree
If you've
rainforest.
done one similar to that, I wouldn't waste your money. If you haven't done anything like that, then you know, do it. We are sailing across the water. What's the rest of it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep.
We're going sailing. I've brought a yacht.
Hopefully there's no from you. Shouldn't be.
I got sea legs, baby. I'm a captain. Don't worry about that.
Captain Pew.
Yeah. I brought a yacht just for this occasion. Because I'm generous, I'm going to let some other people on there.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Well, at least they're not trying to sell them to you, they give them out. So, handing out CC tablets.
I don't know if you'd like the ginger tablets.
Oh, really?
It's sea salt and essential.
Oh, that's very kind.
Yeah, have a few full body scrubs on your trip.
Ooh,
Random acts of kindness are really good sometimes.
That's very kind of you.
So that'll be
Oh,
beautiful
wow.
on your trip. You can do your feet and your legs. I do my
Yeah.
face with it. To do the whole body, you need
Alright.
a teaspoon of it. Yep.
So,
Have a quick try so you know what
Troy,
it is.
Scrub Magic, and your name is?
Julie.
Thank you so much.
Lemon.
If I fall overboard, are you going to save me? You're going to dive in after me?
I'll throw one of them in.
Your hesitation is not filling me with
I
confidence.
was going to throw you one of them. That'll save
No.
you more than I would.
No, I've got my answer.
No.
Awesome. Thank you so much. You see sick yet?
No. Are you?
I want to take a tablet in. A little bit. Right. We're sailing.
Sailing. Yeah, and I'm in a still.
If you want to sit in that two seats there.
No, I'm
Come on, no one's good now.
Well, we can move around and there's food in.
The drone coming in.
The drone coming in.
You know, relax and enjoy. Just a full-on sailing, beautiful. We love it. All right. Very important, guys. When you move around the vessel, you hold on into the rails. We call it the 3 point of contacts. So you use your feet, but also you use your hands to move around. Okay. Very important. If you feel a bit unwell from motion sickness, pretty normal for us, for everyone, no worries. Just stay outside. Also, if you go to the toilet, we call it the point of no return. That means if you feel sick and you go to the toilet, you don't go out until we stop the boat once we're back, okay? Enjoy this beautiful sailing with us, okay? Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you for listening. So, guys, also, if you have any bags you want to put them inside, no problem. I can put it away. There is a bag so you don't have to stop moving around, okay?
Well, I've lost Jackie already.
Any rubbish? Do you have any empties, any rubbish?
Overboard, but it was just at the start, so there's no need to yell, you know, man overboard, because it's just pretty close to shore and stuff. No need to panic. It's all good. Gotta be able to cope in these emergencies.
Because I did a thingy.
I was wrong, guys. She didn't go overboard, so it's all good. I was saying you're pretty close to shore anyway, so there's no need for that man overboard shit.
There's bits and things I'll eat, and there's bits and things you'll eat.
Awesome. I'll take me ginger tablet. I just wanted to cruise along the river, you know, along the bank, you know, have a few drinks, nibblies. Instead I'm fighting for my life.
You had a drink?
Fighting for my life,
You had
yeah.
nibblies. Get over it.
Fighting for my life here.
You will be in a minute because I'm going to push you overboard.
Coming with me. If you can't tell, it's like a hill and stuff on the motorbike vlogging. You can't tell how huge these waves are. It's probably 25, 50 feet waves, easy, where that was smashing.
You are such a girl.
We're out here with the Navy ships. Chris
is going to wet himself over this.
Chris, you know those pictures you've showed me of you're out in the Navy ship and doing your bloody little pussy shit. Well, mate, it's got nothing on this, mate. Nothing.
And him are going to
Nothing. You don't know shit about sailing. Jesus Christ. Oh, we've got 2 overboard. 2 just went.
Nobody went. I like that.
These guys over there have been popping it. Job on the boat, mate. Jackie's staying in Port Douglas. She's going to be skipping. Jackie wasn't sick, which was a bonus. Douglas. We're leaving a day early so we can have a night in Cairns before Jax flies home tomorrow, which I'm not real happy about, but he didn't win Test Lotto, so back to work and booked into Cairns until next Tuesday. Get the bike serviced Monday and then away I go. Let's do it. Rex's lookout, sexy Rex. Oh, someone's got a drone up. Nice.
Mango there, but eat well. When you don't, you feel like shit. Huh?
Talk to you soon. Love you. What's going on? Okay, a group in Cairns has let me meet up with them. They've actually organised a ride, so I'm going to follow them around and see a bit of Cairns. But the group I've hooked up with just to get me out for the day, I'm not whining back in a motel room. It's Sunday. Take me up for a ride up to the Appleton Tablelands. So I have done a few years ago, but they're taking me to some beautiful spot and have a check out this coffee chocolate place. It's two of my favourite things. Pretty cool. So just quickly, these people have been kind enough, or I should say, what's your real name?
I'm Van Loudon from Coral Coast Riders.
Right, okay. And I sorted out a ride here this morning. We got a little bit of rain, but then she buggered off. So big thank you for that. Sorting me out so I'm not hiding in my motel room for the rest of the day. And we're up at the Atherton Tablelands, aren't we?
We're on the Atherton Tablelands in a place called Mariba. Mariba being an Aboriginal name meaning meeting place of the waters.
All right. And there's water here, it just happens to be a coincidence. Thank you very much for that. And we're going to be heading to an ice cream place.
Emerald Creek Ice Creamery is on the way home, but we're going to be going to the highest point on the Great Dividing Range after we've had our bite to eat here. And we are at Coffee Works in Mariba.
So if it's not the highest point,
I think you'll
you're not
find
lying. Okay. All right. I just, you know, just want to make sure that the truth is getting told here. It's all good. Thank you so much. Much appreciated. We had 6, but we're now 5.
Had 7.
Had 7. Yeah, that was 6. Right. Yeah, that's right. Okay, today is Tuesday, something, 8. Now in Cairns to Croydon, just over 500 k's. My first stop tonight. Let's do this.